Hello everyone friends, Valer here. Today I'll show you how to fix the CAPTCHA error in Epic Games when logging in. First, try disabling your VPN, also try disabling proxy, and if that doesn't help, clear your browser cache. To do this, go to Settings, and here we'll need to go to Privacy and Security and delete browser data. You can delete all browser data for all time, but note that this will remove your info from all sites, so be careful. If needed, create a backup. There. If that doesn't work, make sure you have the correct date and time set. To do this, just go to Settings. Here, type in date and time settings. And here, turn on these three toggles. Right? Well, these two at least. And then, try logging in again. If that doesn't help, then click Run, Start, type CMD, click OK, and here type ipconfig/flushdns, and press Enter. There. After that, try again. If that didn't help, then I suggest checking if the Epic Games servers are even working. To do this, search for status.epicgames.com or Epic Games server status. Right? And then click the first link and you'll see everything's working at the moment. It might not be working for you, that's why you can't log in. Now if this is about the launcher, then all you need to do is uninstall it and download it again. To do this, you can just go to Start. Here type Apps, Settings, here click Applications, here Installed Apps, and in the search type Epic Games. Here's Epic Games Launcher and you delete both of these. And just reinstall the launcher. That's it. This was Valor. Hit like, subscribe to the channel. See you all later.